What if you could make money every time other people made sales online without creating your own product, without managing payouts, and without chasing clients? That's what OfferLab, this brand new platform, was built for. And in the next few minutes, I will show you what OfferLab is, why it is different from anything else you've seen, and also 3 main ways you can start making money with it starting today. And if you decide to jump in, I leave a link down below for you to get a free OfferLab account so you can start making money online for free today. And before we get started, I want to show you the actual results that I have been getting from promoting OfferLab in the last 10 days. Let me refresh my page, okay, so you know this is real. So in the last 10 days, ever since I jumped on this new platform, I made over $12,000 already. And in this training, I will show you how you can make money from this platform. Now, here's the problem most online entrepreneurs face. Too many tools, too many platforms. Affiliate launches that pay once and then die out. Number 3, in order to promote some of the best affiliate offers in the market, you have to buy those products first. Not anymore, okay? And that's exactly why Russell Brunson, the guy behind ClickFunnels, set out to fix when he created OfferLab. Think of OfferLab as the Amazon of high converting offers for online marketers. Think of OfferLab as the Amazon of high converting offers for entrepreneurs. Product creators list their products on OfferLab. Affiliates like you and me promote them. The platform automatically tracks sales and splits revenue instantly. It's collaboration instead of competition. And OfferLab is built to help you get paid forever, not just once. And it's 100% free for you to use OfferLab. And here's how simple it is to use OfferLab. Number 1, click down below to create a free OfferLab account. Instantly locks people to you forever by simply giving away this free app. This is huge because it's not cookie based. You don't lose commissions just because someone switches device. Number 2, after you get your free account, you can browse the marketplace, digital products, coaching, even physical products, all ready for you to promote. Number 3, you can bundle all kinds of different products into your own super funnel. In under 60 seconds, you can stack products into one funnel with order bumps, upsells, or downsales. Number 4, once you create your super funnel on OfferLab, you can simply promote your link, share on email, social, or ads. Number 5, you get paid automatically. No need to manage payments, no chasing anyone. The OfferLab platform handles it all. Now, let's talk about the part you care about, how you actually make money with OfferLab. So there are 3 big ways. Number 1, you can promote all top offers for free. Inside OfferLab, you can grab any top converting products or bundle multiple offers together and start promoting them immediately. No upfront cost, no need for your own product. You are literally making free money just by sending traffic. Number 2, fast cash with OfferLab certification program. OfferLab has its own certification program. Every person who upgrades to the $500 OfferLab certification program, you earn 100% commissions. So that's $500 straight into your account. No revenue split, no waiting, just instant cash flow. Number 3, you can build a lifetime pipeline. So here's where it gets crazy. Every free account you bring to the OfferLab is hard-coded under you forever. That means if they promote offers and make sales, you get paid royalties without you selling anything yourself. And even if they create their own products, list them on OfferLab, and have other affiliates sell them, you still get paid from all the transactions that they generated. It's a compounding pipeline that pays you again and again for the rest of your life. So if you are tired of one-off affiliate launches that dry up in a week, and you actually want a pipeline that compounds over time, then this is for you. So step 1, click down below to create your free OfferLab account today. Step 2, you can start promoting top offers for free or bundle different products together as your own unique offer, and you stack commissions. Step 3, if you want bigger paydays, then grab the certification upgrade and unlock $500 instant payouts. This is Russell's biggest launch since ClickFunnels, and the people who get in early are the ones who win big. Create your free account right now. I'll even drop my super bonus package information in the description. When you upgrade to the OfferLab certification program through my link, you also unlock my super bonus package. All right, I'll see you inside OfferLab.